Monday, 5 o'clock. Day is done. I've been editing what feels like all day. Popped out a little bit to see some handiwork clients at lunchtime, but I'm done editing. Bam, bam. I'd just like to say we've got a lovely dinner and Abby's better cook than I am. This is like perfectly pasta bake. Happy?
Yeah.
It's Tuesday. What am I doing today?
Apparently creating a video about how hard it can be to make a hangboard.
Hangboard? What do you want from your hangboard? Because today I'm making you one.
I don't know, I've never used one before.
Oh. Yeah, that's useful. Hi. Lawrence. Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back. Okay, what we're going to do is we're shooting a video today. As you guys know, we're going to put a camera up on this beam so we can, you know, 360 from the roof. So bolt goes in ceiling like so. Then this goes on there like so. Magical. Then camera goes on there, and we have a thing. But we're gonna have to take this light down. It's a 360-degree camera. Why did we put it next to the light? This is a great door we have. We're not quite finished with everything just yet. We haven't quite decided on how the door should close.
You see how mine is perfectly flush and yours is fucking...
Are we doing more down here?
Cavernous.
Here?
No, not there. I'm on the line here. I'm right, you fucking...
We should use this bit and not sped up this bit before we are buttons.
I should wait.
The David Attenborough documentary from the Alps.
Ooh, wood.
This is really cool.
Tower rail that I built. See, almost holds.
Almost!
It does, it's hold too tough.
It's brilliant.
Yo, vlog back. It's Wednesday. Cold. Really cold tonight. It's gonna be -6, which is like really unheard of in the UK. It's hard in this weather to do anything. I have to have my curtains closed all day long because my flat heating is so inefficient. Yeah. Lots of editing, lots of fun today. Really cocky. Oh. I feel like I'm editing all the time. Not much fun to show you. But then we had the video shoot yesterday. Nice. But yeah, I've just been at Abby's. Been in my support bubble, and it's hard. Hard to come home to a cold, empty, dark flat. Gonna snuggle up to some YouTube and just try and stay warm. See you guys in the next vlog. Thanks for watching all of these vlogs so far. Please like is really important to me. It really pumps the algorithm. You know, that's a new noise. It's going to be around. I feel tired. I'm done. Bye. I'd give you some perspective. Just thought I'd give you some perspective on how cold my flat is. 11 degrees. Yeah, nice. It's today. It's still 11 degrees, but change mode. High, hot, power, fun.